Welcome back to Straight Drive. We're of course looking forward to the third T20 international between England and Pakistan in Manchester. In a last episode, we talked about power hitting. Now the tools that have become so crucial for that power hitting are the bats. Evolution of bats, how it all started and where we have come to. Let's check it out.
I'm going to show you through the evolution of cricket bats from the conception of cricket back in the 1700s. So this bat here is from 1730s, and when cricket was first played, it was played underarm. So you can see how there's a lot of weight down the bottom of the bats, and they used to hit along the ground. Moving into the 1860s, overarm or round arm bowling was introduced. Bats moved to a more distributed weight, so the weight isn't just at the bottom, it's also in the middle and a bit more towards the top as well, but they were still using one piece of wood. Into the 1890s, they discovered that they were having too many breakages in the handle, so they introduced splicing. So they introduced cane, which is still used in modern bats, to create a handle, and cane has nice flexibility in conjunction with hitting the ball off centre or in the middle. For us as Gunnar Moore, this is one of our favourite pieces. This is made for one of our founding members, William Gunn, who was an England Test cricketer, and it was made for him by our original bat maker, William Sherwin, and this was in 1892. From the 1860s, you can see that the width of the bat has been defined with 4¼ inches, and actually that's maintained through to modern bats these days. In the 1930s, 1940s, bat shapes become more pronounced in the swell area, so there's less at the toe, less at the shoulder, and they've got nice thin edges. And for years and years, nothing really changed in transition. This one here is actually an aluminium bat. So since up to then they were using wood, modern materials came in and they decided to try other things. So this was used by Dennis Lillee in a test match and was outlawed very soon after, as they thought it deformed the ball. So from then on, the laws of cricket stated that cricket bats have to be made out of wood and wood only, and specifically English willow. So on to more modern bats. 1999, this bat here was used by Matt Horn in test match. You can see the profile is actually not too dissimilar to the bat that was in the 1940s, but the addition, we've got nice new labels, so endorsements started to come in. 2015, bat sizes have become a lot bigger. Wood conditioning has become much greater, and manufacturers were able to make products that were much bigger and more suited to the current players. As you can see, the profiles are completely different. However, this bat has now been outlawed for size, as the MCC and the ICC brought in sizing regulations to stop oversized bats and to bring the balance back between bat and ball in the game of cricket. Which brings us on to our final bat in the evolution. And as you can see, this now conforms to the ICC regulations, and that completes our transition from the 1700s to the modern day cricket bat. Who knows where we'll go next?
Massive change from the 1700s. मतलब मुझे नुसरत अली खान का गाना याद आ गया, क्या से क्या हो गए देखते देखते। 99 से भी बहुत ज़्यादा फ़र्क है।
बहुत ज़्यादा यार, 99 का बल्ला उसने दिखाया, वो बिल्कुल इतना सा पतला सा, वो किश्ती के चप्पू की तरह, और उसके बाद जो बैन हुआ है बल्ला, वो तो अनबिलीवेबल था यार।
वो तो मुझे लगता है कमेटी में आप थे, देखते ही आपने कहा बैन कर दो।
नहीं, मैं किसी कमेटी में नहीं यार, बट या दैट वाजंट फेयर। इवन जो अभी प्रेजेंट भी दिखाया, उसका भी मिडल इतना मोटा है। हमारे ज़माने में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इतना मोटा होता था, उससे ये क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है? उससे बड़ा पता कि आप मिडल ना भी हो तो गेंद ने बाहर ही जाना है।
शान की चेहरे पर मुस्कुराहट है, एज बैट्समैन बड़े खुश हैं इस वक्त कि टेक्नोलॉजी में इतना काम हो गया।
I had one job today and that was to bring the bat, जो मैं भूल गया था। आ गया, अगर आप चाहें मैं ले सकता हूँ बैट।
बैट इस वक्त मुझे नजर नहीं आ रहा वैसे हाँ मतलब अगर कोई पकड़ा दे हमें बैट तो क्विकली so we'll just quickly come on okay Shan has moved out to just get his bat ये वो menacing bat जिसकी वसीम भाई बात कर रहे थे with the balance right and थिकनेस उसकी चेक करें वैसे
दिखाएं जरा मुझे मैं जरा व्यूज को एक्सप्लेन
करें एंड इट फील्स वेरी लाइक
थिकनेस की बात
the
करते हैं
MCC
ना
laws.
जो थिकनेस की बात करते हैं ना क्लोज अप दिखा दो जो थिकनेस की बात करते हैं ये देखें ये कम से कम ये तो इतना मोटा है यहाँ से ये इतना और हमारे ज़माने में जो मिडल होता था वो इतना मोटा होता था मिडल तो ये डिफरेंस है कि ये गेंद फिर स्टेडियम तो बाहर ना जाए तो कितने जाए
हाउ मच डू यू फील फॉर द बॉलर्स नाउ
Yeah, I do feel for the bowlers. It's a batsman game. हर चीज़ I suppose it should be a fair contest. That's the idea of this game. But वो मेरा नहीं ख्याल especially shorter format में है.
अच्छा in terms of the scientific advancement just जो हम देख भी रहे थे in the evolution of bats अब it feels lighter and it looks as if ये जो extra pressing होती है थोड़ा इसके बारे में बताएं कि जहाँ पे moisture कम हो जाता है life कम हो जाती है batsman की bat की itself but it has a lot of stroke.
Well, you compromise on two things. Number one is if you want a longer duration bat, initially it's going to be harder. If it's soft press, it's going to ping from the start, but it's going to break. And a lot of the Indian bats are softly pressed. English bats are very well pressed. That's why you'll find that this bat will weigh about 210, which is heavy, considered as heavy, but it feels like a 2.8. When you pick it up, it feels like a 2.8. And there are restrictions, but you still can do a lot of things. And what I've done is from bottom to top, I've got the same width. So in conditions where you're playing in the bouncier wickets, I don't have to change bats because even if it hits the sticker part of my bat, it's still going to feel it's hitting the middle. And even in the subcontinent, if it hits the lower part of my bat, it's still going to travel because there's more wood at the bottom and at the top, and it's similar to the wood in the middle.
And the bat itself कि अब इसकी लाइफ कम हो गई उससे ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ता प्लेयर्स को because इनको इतने ज़्यादा बैट्स मिलते हैं
थोड़ी ना फर्क पड़ना है they have got sponsors they get paid to play with their bats and they get lots of bats और आम बंदे को फर्क पड़ता है जिसको पता नहीं अब बल्ला हो कितने का गया 30-40 हज़ार का तो सुना हो गया
नहीं अब तो मेरे ख्याल से जो टॉप क्वालिटी का बैट है वो तकरीबन 80,000 90,000 it is going to 1 lakh now
this is 650 pounds
650 pounds
लेकिन ना लाख से ऊपर की अब गेम हो गई
yeah so I suppose
professional level bat
professionals को फर्क नहीं पड़ता they prefer कि soft wood हो ताकि straight away they can play it in the match they don't have to have wait हमें तो पता नहीं पहले बल्ले मिलते थे फिर उसको खोलो नेट में खोलो किसी को दो या थोड़ी नॉकिंग कर ली तू थोड़ी नॉकिंग कर ली वो गेंद वो लगा के उस पे मारते थे ताकि जल्दी खुले
बैट्स के साथ
अगर शेर का बच्चा नहीं रखता उसे लग जाते थे महीना डेढ़
हम जो सॉक्स के अंदर बॉल डालकर भी
उसके गैजेट है वो जैसे आपका वो नहीं होता ग्रिप चेंज करने वाला हैंडल उसके आगे उन्होंने लगाया होता है कील के साथ गेंद तो आप वो पकड़ के आप अपने बल्ले पे मारते हो ताकि वो सॉफ्ट हो
very informative from of course Faseem Akram there and Shan Masood also giving us his lowdown about his bat. Okay then we'll head into a very short break here. When we come back with lots more. In the meantime we'll have a cup of Lipton tea. It has got great aroma and great taste.